Good morning. I'm a little bit late. Yeah. So every Friday we do a HIIT session over Zoom. Every Friday the team do a HIIT session over Zoom. It's like a fun way to get together. But it's like 20. Oh, I'm so dehydrated. I'm so tired. Oh, right. So the Zoom takes place at 9 a.m. every morning. So, just like to get the whole place set up and ready to go. The family get involved too. Call it of the day. Woo. Yep, now we're pretty much set up. Just one more thing. We need some water. Ooh, this is always fun. I really enjoy these little sessions, and it's cool to get the family involved as well. Kira's an early riser. Sean says he is, but not so much, I feel, personally. I'm not an early riser either by any means. This is my voice. Look at my eyes. Morning, morning. We're all tired, but Sean is a bit sore. His back's not great, so he might not join in, but he'll cheer us on. And then Kaz, she's always ready. Always ready. Hard-working spirit. That's all you need. Bit of crack lasts about 20 minutes. So, all G. Thanks, Greg.
Thanks, Greg. Good job, Zoe.
Oh, Shawnee. Woo, good session, 20 minutes. Cheers, Greg, that was a good one. Now, coffee time, hey? Woo, 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 woo. All right, fam. I am gonna show you how I make my bulletproof coffee. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our coffee that's been AirPressed by the lovely Kaz. Thank you, Kaz. And just chuck it right in there. Peanut butter going in, and I'm double jobbing here. I'm insta vlogging. Insta vlogging? Honey. Drop it in. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Don't forget to lick the spoon. And the result is one frothy boy. Hey, look at that, man. All right, it is time to do the Friday finisher workout. I haven't done a workout like this in a very, very long time. I think there's 6 exercises that are AMRAP, so as many reps as possible. It's gonna be a bit of fun. I'm gonna fail an incredible amount of times, but you know what, that's all part of it, about getting stronger and better, and yeah, just having fun with it as well. The session I'm doing today, you'll be able to see right here. I'll talk you through different bits, but I think for something like this, just let's get into it. Let's have fun. Starting off, we have a weighted push-up into a bent over row. So 8 of each. Right, once you've finished with the push-ups and the bent over rows, we're then into a vertical push variation. So you can do single arm, dumbbell, shoulder press. You can use a barbell if you have one. Then we have pull-ups. I don't have anywhere to do pull-ups. So get a band and use this to do lat pulls, lat pull down. So I'm gonna attach it just over here to this wall. Let's go. Right, that's the sets and reps done. Now it's into the AMRAPs. We have a dumbbell, single arm row, as many reps as possible. We're gonna use 10 kilo plates, both sides, or you can use a band to do reverse flies. Then we're using this band again, and just like the lat pull downs, we're upright and we're pulling forward. Let's get into it. Right, the back has been absolutely burnt out, thanks to this guy in particular. Now, it's time to AMRAP the chest. So we're doing 3 push-up variations. We're going wide, out here, crucifix push-ups. Then we're coming back here to the middle, doing normal push-ups. Then, we're coming all the way in here doing close or diamond push-ups. AMRAP, let's get to it. Man. That's it. That's the session. How's it going? I enjoyed that. Better than you know, just strict weights regime. Like, it changed it up a bit. Oh, boys. Whew. Hope you enjoyed that. Have fun with it. You know, mix it around. It's not about having all these weights here. I'm just in a lucky situation. Try out different things. Keep those AMRAPs going. It's the best way. Just to get a sweat on, burn, pump, build some muscle. Yeah, mate. Let's get some lunch. Wow. I'm digging the sweet mango with the steak. Then I have red hot, like, it's not spicy that, but like red chili in there as well. Oh my god. I think you have to drink a pint of milk with the steak. Yeah. I have a pint of milk.
It's grand.
Oh man. I haven't had a glass of milk in like
never.
Forever. People think I eat pears weird, so I might as well add a mango into the mix. I don't think I eat it weird, but you know, you cut it up like this. And
Dice it up.
Mmm.
Did you eat the whole pear?
Ballpark. I did, yeah. Delicious. Come here. You know you want to see this. This pear is phenomenal.
Rick Rossable.
This is one of the best pears I've ever had in my life.
Shout out to all the pears.
What's cracking? It's that time again. We are in the kitchen. I've fully cooked. I didn't document any of it because nothing was really that special. Like I didn't make anything. It was just all from the fridge, what we had at home. And I just put it in the oven or put it on the pan. So, got some nice stuff here tonight. We're all veggie, completely veggie. We've got barbecue jackfruit burgers that I got in Aldi the other day. Roasted red pepper, broccoli, sweet potato fries, asparagus, shallots, and then in the jars we got pickles and beetroot. My man, so good. You. My friends, is the final view. Even the beetroots are shining. Like, look how beautiful that is. And it was so simple. You know, I think with cooking, it's so important that, you know, you don't have to do anything crazy to get really delicious meals. The broccoli was frozen, just put it in the microwave. The burgers you stick in the oven. The beetroots come in a jar. Asparagus and shallots, you just put it in the pan with a bit of oil. Like, super simple. Just adding a little bit of flavor, so salt, pepper, chili, garlic, and then just taking a little bit more time to do things, and you can come up with such an amazing meal. You don't have to spend tons and tons of money, and it's fun. It tastes amazing. It's a win-win, baby. Damn. That is delish. I'm absolutely bloody stuffed after that, so I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna have a cup of tea. I'm gonna have a cup of tea, and then that's me done for the night. Good luck.